Welcome to our video on mastering MATLAB and Simulink for engineering applications. MATLAB, known as Matrix Laboratory, is a powerful programming environment used extensively by engineers and scientists for numerical computation, data analysis, algorithm development, and visualization. With its intuitive interface and vast library of built-in functions, MATLAB simplifies complex mathematical operations, making it ideal for simulations, control systems, and signal processing. Simulink, on the other hand, is a graphical modeling environment that runs on top of MATLAB. It allows users to design, simulate, and analyze dynamic systems using an intuitive block diagram approach. Engineers use Simulink to visualize real-time behaviors of systems across disciplines, from automotive control to aerospace and robotics. While MATLAB excels at algorithm development and data analysis, Simulink shines in system modeling and simulation. Together, they form a powerful ecosystem. Whether you are analyzing data, designing control systems, or developing embedded solutions, mastering MATLAB and Simulink opens the door to countless engineering possibilities. Stay with us as we explore how to get started, navigate the interface, use essential functions, and apply these tools in real-world engineering scenarios.